I went to jump outside because I haven't been active at all, and I hate myself for not doing that. I did burn 50 calories today. Wow. Other people burn 50 calories when they do other stuff, but hey, I have a hope, so I'm gonna jump then. This is Krita 5. This is Krita 5, the better version of it. So it might be a little bit slow, it might have crashes here and there or bugs here and there, but we're gonna use Krita 5 better version, and we're gonna do a tweening animation with this character. As you see here, you can download this character for completely for free in the description down below, because I can give it to you like that. Take it. Cool. Or if you can try to animate your own character, where we have separate parts of the body of the puppet, and when we put them together, and when we animate the individual body parts, we get something like this. This is not the best thing that I guess this is not the best option to do the puppet animation inside Krita, but since we have the tweening option on, I thought I can show you how you can tween your animation in this way, because I did a video about this. You seem to like that one, so I thought let's do something similar. Now this is my animation. I'm gonna delete everything except the body part, except the character, but the movements I'm gonna remove, and we're gonna do them together to figure out how to obviously do this kind of animation inside Krita. Honey, do you wanna beep beep beep? So ideally now, the only thing that, is the leg. The back leg has a transform mask layer, so we're gonna remove that. Remove it. And now if I play, what, no! Oh, I'm so sloppy these days. I can't explain it. The other day, Monday, I couldn't fall asleep. I was up until basically all night. After I almost cut the knife into my eye. Whatever. So I have this animation. Now if I play it, there's nothing happening because I just deleted the transform layers, right? So there's no tweening animation here. What I want to do though, I said that I want to have my animation to be shorter. So I'm gonna end this on 24th frame, 25th. Let's just do 25th. The frame rate is 20. For me, we might speed this up. I don't know. Parts on separate layers, right? And whichever part you want to animate, you can inside here the animation curves. Now, let's say I want to animate the forearm. I have to add the transform mask in order to have to be able to transform the arm here. So right button. Are we recording? Yes, we are. Right button, add transform mask, and it will pop up this. Make sure you select your transform mask, and then you go here, and first add a keyframe, right? Add a keyframe, and then position your hand. In this case, this is the hand, guys. Come on, it's so obvious. And I'm gonna position this maybe up here. It's gonna be a little bit different. And on the last frame, which is in my case 25th frame, I'm gonna add again a keyframe with the same position because I want to loop this. So somewhere here in the middle, maybe maybe frame 12. I'm gonna add a keyframe. It already adds a keyframe once I select my object I'm gonna animate, because it already has keyframes here. So I'm gonna just rotate this again. Maybe around here, right? And then I'm gonna go back, and then I will play this. And then again, it will take a little bit of time to process what's happening. And it's moving with the leg, which is it's very robust, but maybe we can go back to this frame, and we can, I'll say here. And also, I guess I can change the frame rate to be 12. Let's just put 12. Let's just go back here, and let's just play now. Did it crash? No crash, please. And it has this weird movement. Again, the hand is to sync with the leg, which is not ideal. It is a knot. We can come here and we can push this there. I don't know. Let's see what happens. You have to experiment with these. Let's see. You have to play around with this. I don't know. It is blinking though. Now I want the body to move, right? Where's the body? The body is here. I want to have a little bounce to it. Let's bounce. I'm gonna add a transform mask to this so I can be able to animate here. Add a keyframe, and with the transform tool, you can transform stuff. And we can do this maybe. And here, maybe, oh my god, different frame, save keyframe, right? And somewhere around here, maybe we can bring this back. Maybe around here, we can do this back there. Let's see how that goes. It's okay. Now the eyes are not moving because the eyes are not part of the body. The eyes are separate. Their own separate layer. So yeah, and the tail as well. As you know, the tails. It's just hanging there. It's the same principle for the rest of the body parts. How we can attach the eyes to be part of the body. I could have made once I did the eye animation, but I could have made the eye animation to be part of the body. I guess I could have merged them into one layer, but I didn't. So that's a bummer. So in my case, then I can add again a transform mask layer, and then here I'm gonna add a keyframe, and I'm just gonna try to eyeball the eyeballs, I guess. Dad jokes, what can you do? And over here, I'm gonna add the same keyframe, and cut maybe here, move it. Let's see if this works. It's not gonna be ideal, but let's just see that. Yeah, it's not that bad. I mean, whatever. It's weird looking, I know, but you know what? It's good. It's good. Like a few months ago, we couldn't do this anyway, so it's good. I think it's good. It will do. We will get there eventually. But that's the idea with the puppet animation. You have your separate limbs and you animate each one individually. And once you have too many limbs, though, here, again, this is the better version, so they might fix this because it's a bit slow. Once I do the rest of the body, you will see it gets even slower. So I'm not gonna do the rest of the body, but I did want to add some speed lines. The easiest way you can do that, though, create a new layer, go back to your main animation timeline, and I'm just gonna use my mouse for this, or maybe I might pen. I haven't decided that yet. I'm gonna use the version I have here. Go to a new keyframe. Gonna make the size of my brush to be smaller. And oh my god. Let's just use the line area. The line too. You're gonna make some lines. Whee! Come on. If you hold shift and you draw with the line tool, your lines will be you'll be straighter. Okay, so I'm gonna go in new keyframe. I'm gonna open my light bulb and I'm gonna just have a couple other, maybe here, next one, and we're gonna repeat this. So yeah. Okay, so what? Oops, nope. What I can do is to basically copy them. And control, copy the keyframes, and have something like this. Let's see what we have. Yay! Magic. Now they're on the top of the character, which is seriously not ideal. I'm gonna put this layer on everything I can. over here. And this is my favorite animation, so I'll keep it like this. Maybe I can make them, the spacing maybe can be shorter. I guess it's fine like this. Again, this is the very basic um animation you can get. This video is getting very long, so I don't want to make a longer video. So yeah, this will be for what I have for you today. I will leave this character in the link in the description, so you can download that and play with the character and try to move the wheels. It's very static, but you can fix that in your animations. So if you want to share your animations with me, you can do that on Instagram, or I guess I have a Krita. I don't use it that much, but I do check it once in a while. But yeah, I was going to tell you about my freaking knife story. I'm gonna get a knife, I guess, and yeah, let me just get a knife, and we get from there. My God, I have a knife. Jesus Christ. This is not my knife, by the way, but my knife that I broke was pretty much the same. Hey, it kind of fits with my shirt. It was pretty much the same size.
High functioning sociopath with your number.
So what I did, I thought it was funny, and then I realized what happened, and I'm a fucking idiot. I was cooking. I want to say carrots. I was cooking carrots, and since I guess I put too much pressure over here on this part. Did this sort of movement on the carrot, and next thing I know, I'm just holding the handle of the knife, and the rest of the knife, basically the whole blade here, snaps, and because of the movement I did, it went back, and which means I'm here, and the knife goes, and then it hit in my freaking arm, so I have this weird scratch. I don't know if you can see it, whatever. And falls on the ground, the blade. And my housemate was on the sink. She was washing stuff, and then she turns, looks at me, and I'm like, without the blade, and I'm like, yeah. Almost hit my face. I don't know. Maybe I had a reflex. Maybe I moved. I don't know. But it hit my arm at the end. Which is, I was like, oh no, did I got cut? Well, sort of not. I don't know. I guess I'm just collecting scars at this point. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna die alone after this. I don't. I will get a dog. I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I hope this information was helpful. I'm sorry if the video is too long. Uh, yeah, I will put the knife back because I don't want knives in my room. Yes. Okay. Let me know how this will work out. If this sort of animation style, when it comes to training animation, do you think this training animation is suitable for puppet animations like this one? I think it does to a certain point. I hope they kind of make it faster to process the animation in the animation curves faster. Um, and yeah, that's gonna be all from me today. Stay safe, stay happy, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.